Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace starter on 2006 Honda Pilot step by step. Park on level ground, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and gather a socket set, jack, and stands. Remove negative cable, raise vehicle safely, and support with stands before crawling underneath. Unbolt starter electrical connections, mark wires, and remove mounting bolts. Install new starter, reconnect wires, lower vehicle, reconnect battery, and test starter operation. Start by wearing gloves and eye protection, then double-check the parking brake and wheel chocks. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and tuck the cable away. Raise the vehicle using a jack, then place stands under solid lift points and lower gently onto them. Confirm stability before sliding under the vehicle. Organize your tools and the replacement starter within easy reach to keep the job smooth and safe. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping so it cleans while you focus on repairs. It saves time and keeps your garage tidy between projects. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Work methodically. Remove blocking components, then locate the starter and inspect its mounting. Disconnect the main power cable first, then the smaller signal lead, and keep nuts in a magnetic tray. Support the starter as you remove the mounting bolts so it does not fall free. Compare the old and new starter to confirm fit and terminal locations. Transfer any bracketry if needed, then position the new starter for installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.